back, hold us back. We can do what we wanna do, 'cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we can run away across the ocean.
What's up mga parents? Another day, another vlog. This is Bihari Bong and welcome back to my YouTube channel for today's video mga parents. It's another travel hotel vlog because mga parents, andito tayo ngayon sa malay ko, malay mo, malay natin lahat, Malaysia! So yun mga parents, actually I'm here for a business trip, but of course we'll try to squeeze in some items for travel or touristy attractions that we can explore here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. But I'm currently staying at Sheraton Petaling Jaya. So yun nga mga parts, itutur ko kayo kung saan ako nakastay ngayon dito sa Sheraton. And but before anything else, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and comment down below if you have questions. And yun mga parts, umpisahan na natin sa ating quick room tour. Let's go! So mga parts, this is the entrance of Sheraton Petaling Jaya. So nag-grab lang kami papunta dito from the airport. And this is the entrance. The other reception is in the 3rd floor, but this is the main entrance. Sarado yung escalator. So now let's go to the 3rd floor for the reception. And mga parts, this is the check-in counter and the reception at the 3rd floor. So their gym is, so they have a Christmas tree. Their gym is at the 33rd floor. Also the swimming pool. And this is also the floor for the breakfast. So tomorrow mga parts, I'll take you around at the Link Cafe or the venue for the breakfast. Let's go. So mga parts, this is my room. This is a standard, I think deluxe room here. And Sheraton Petaling Jaya. So pagpasok niyo mga parts, airing foyer. And then there's a whole body mirror over here. This is actually the built-in closet. Uy! Ayan, ang saya. Meron na silang plancha mga parts. And also they have this bathrobe, ironing board, and there's also complimentary sleepers. And there's a lot of cabinets over here. Wow, nice. It's so clean. The mirror also is also clean. Here's the keycard slot, and there's a privacy over there. Over here is another closet, but you can see here your vault or safe, and yeah, drawer over here for your laundries. There's also space over there, and there's a couch over here. I think this is for wearing your shoes when you're going out. And over here, there's a mini ref. Wow, this is so nice. Oh, this is so nice. There's a complimentary water, 4 bottles, and a kettle. This one is a... Ooh, oh, here. There's a coffee, complimentary coffee, green tea. I like that. I like green tea. What's this? Ah, this is where you put the coffee, I think. And this one is a drawer. And over here mga parts is the toilet. Ah, wow, it is so nice. Wow, look at the lighting. I like this one. And you can see your bed from here. And also there's a bathtub. Wow, the bed, the washroom is actually so nice. It's so nice. It's so clean. Here's the bathtub. There's a sink. And what's good about this one is that you have a shower over here, but if you want to take the bathtub here, you can relax here. There's a towel, and also I wonder if there's a hair dryer. Let's see. Oh, it's close. Oh, here there's a hair dryer. And here is the shower with the complimentary shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Wow, very nice toilet. And here's the toilet bowl. So I can see here the blind down and blind up. Let's see. If we press blind down. Oh. It's automatic so that you can see the one sleeping there. There you go. But I want it to be open since I will be staying here alone. Okay? Yes, and mga parts over here, there's a large TV. I think this is 45 inches. And this is, I think, leather. There's the bed. This is, I think, a king size bed. So it's so huge. And of course, this is air conditioned. There's a lamp over here. And what's this? There's a study table over here. And a couch over here. Telephone and seat. And our view, we're staying at the 5th floor, is not so nice view, but yeah, at least you can see here some of the city skyline and the residential area. Okay, so now I'll tour you around next to maybe some of the amenities of this hotel. Let's go! So mga parts, we're here at the 33rd floor. Check natin yung gym nila. This is the gym. Use key card to access. 24 hours. Oh. So meron silang mga pa-water. Uy, ang ganda ng gym. Ay, hello. Parang sa tuloy mag-workout. They have treadmill and look at this view. Oh my god, that's so nice. It's so nice. It's so nice. Ah, ayan yung ano, KL Tower. I wonder where is the Petronas. But mga parts, look at this view. Oh my god. Cardio, and they also have the machine over here and the free weights. Oh, so nice. You have a beautiful view here. So now let's check the swimming pool. Mga parts, the swimming pool is also here at the 33rd floor. So let's go. Oh, this is a sala bar, but this is the swimming pool. Wow, so nice as well. So this is the kiddie pool. So it also has a very good view of the city. And there's an infinity pool over here, and it's 1.4 feet, 1.2 meter. And this is the sala bar. think at night there's a event over here. But mga parts, look at this view. Super nice swimming pool here at Sheraton Petalon dyan. And look at the skyline over here. So mga parts, magpapaka-touristy tayo today. Punta tayo ng KLCC or Kuala Lumpur City Center. Puntahan natin yung Petronas Tower since nandito na tayo mga parts. So nagbook lang ako ng Grab. Actually mga parts, mura lang yung mga Grab dito. So from here, it's around 30 minutes and Grab is how much? It's 21 Malaysian ringgit or around 250 pesos, I think. So, hintay lang natin yung Grab natin mga parts. And then, samahan nyo ako, puntahan natin yung Petronas Twin Tower. Since nandito na tayo. And I think, yun lang naman yung isa sa pinakasikat dito. Tsaka yung KL Tower. So, check natin mga parts since nandito na tayo sa Malaysia. Let's go! So, mga parts, nandito na ako sa Grab. Meron din dito mga train or actually mayroong train pero since very affordable naman yung Grab dito, so nag-Grab na lang ako para mas mabilis, tsaka limited lang yung time natin. And by the way mga parts, yung mga sasakyan dito sa Malaysia, it's right hand drive, so medyo nakakalito pero yeah, right hand drive. So KLCC is around 30 minutes from Sheraton. So, mabilis lang naman for 200 pesos. So, kita-kits tayo mga parts sa KLCC. By the way, I'm wearing my Tumi funny pack. So, I have an unboxing vlog. Please check out my YouTube channel if you want to check this out. Mga parts, we made it! Nakapunta tayo dito sa Petronas Twin Towers, mga parts. Yeah, but actually it's my second time here. So, umakyat kami sa taas. So, for now, mga parts, hindi naman na tayo aakyat kasi nga nakaakyat naman na tayo before. Gusto lang natin siya makita ulit from afar. And also, yeah, since andito na rin naman tayo sa Malaysia, so might as well let's visit again the Petronas Twin Tower. Ayan, ito siya sa labas mga parts. And syempre, ito naman yung pinakasikat dito sa Malaysia. There! Yan, actually mga parts, ang dami mga turista ngayon. It's a Sunday, so less yung traffic compared to weekends. Compared to weekdays. Pero yeah, I'm sorry. Hopefully ay abutan natin ng gabi. Kasi maganda rin daw pag gabi dito sa KLCC. Ayan siya mga parts. I'm here. I made it to the Twin Tower. Solo traveler na naman po yung peg natin ngayon mga parts. So yan, ayan na naman po tayo. And actually mga parts, if you want to go up sa Twin Towers, you can book sa Klook or you can pay there. Pero yun nga, syempre may bayad. And I think may time slot din yun. So yeah, syempre for the experience kailangan yung umakyat dyan kasi iconic yan eh. So yun, magpipicture lang tayo dito mga parts. Madaming tao dahil may fountain din dito sa harap. Pwede rin kayo magpicture dyan. Ayan siya mga parts. Pero tayo ikot-ikot din tayo kasi mga parts, yung Petronas Twin Tower, actually it's a mall yan sa baba. So yan din yung mga luxury brands and everything. So yeah, ikot din tayo later. For the meantime, let's take a photo. So mga parts, andyan yung mga entrance to the tower, pero may bayad. So kaya ngayon, punta na lang tayo dito sa KLCC Mall. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung pwede natin gawin. Pero baka kumain tayo. Kasi mga parts, syempre kalalakad natin, nagutom na naman po tayo. Pero tingnan din natin mga parts if we have something to buy here. Although wala naman akong planong bumili ng kahit ano. Pero yeah. Ito yung mga branded na ano, Gucci there. And this is Ferragamo. Pero actually, I'm looking for a leather shoes. So let's see if I will be able to buy one. Uy, may Prada over there. Estee Lauder, Tom Ford, Bali, Louis Vuitton, Fendi. Oh my God, mga parts, parang hindi ako makakabili. Anyway, parts, balitaan ko kayo if ano mangyayari ay makakabili tayo. Let's go. Mga parts, dito naman tayo sa KLCC. Actually, sa likod naman to nung Petronas. May malaking Christmas tree dito mga parts kasi nga it's Christmas time. Pero later mga parts, hintayin natin magpailaw yan ng gabi kasi sabi nila maganda rin daw pag gabi dito. So kaya hintayin natin siya. Pero ito, may mga fountain dito sa likod. Sa kabilang side to nung harap ng Petronas Tower. Surya Mall. Ayan. So pag nagpunta kayo ng Kuala Lumpur, don't miss to visit ito. Lalo na kung meron kayong mga kids or mga bagets. They will enjoy it. Yeah. May park din parang doon, banda doon. And ito puro buildings na to eh. Mga gandang hotel saka office. Pero ito yung King Tower. So lakad tayo konti doon sa malayo. Sorry. Para makita natin yung saka yung may Christmas tree. I can't wait na dumilim tapos magkailaw. Hintayin natin yan mga pards. But before anything else mga pards, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, road to 3,000 subscribers tayo mga pards. Solo traveler na naman po tayo. And if you have questions, just comment down below. Madami ako mga vlogs. So I hope masupportahan nyo naman ako sa aking YouTube channel. Ayan. Dito na tayo sa Maidan, no? Dulo para makita nyo naman tong ano itsura nya. Uy, Four Seasons Hotel, ito pala yun. Maganda rin daw dyan yung hotel na yun. Pero ito siya. Nasa side pala yung Petronas. Ayun, kasi dapat dun ka sa side nyo. So ngayon naman mga parts, hanap tayo ng makakainan or dessert. Parang gusto kong mag-ice cream or nagugutom ako. Let's go. Tapos mga parts, meron din palang food court dito. So don't be afraid. Huwag kayo ma-intimidate kasi meron ditong food court. Magandang food court. So meron sila dyan mga Malaysian restaurant like yan. Also they have fish and chips. So hanap tayo ng makakainan dito. Pero parang gusto ko mag-dessert. Oh, not a ramen. Gusto ko parang ng actually parang masarap yun. Gusto ko ng sabaw. Kasi kanina nag-ano na tayo ng Selemak. So this one parang masarap din. So ito yung food court nila mga parts. I think this is the 3rd floor. So marami kayong options here. Mostly Malay cuisine. So baka dito na tayo kumain. And then nakita ko yung Batcha Coffee. Famous din yun mga parts eh. So let's see kung makakatry natin siya. Parang gusto ko siya i-try kasi since nandito na tayo. Medyo pricey daw dun sa Batcha. Pero sige, try natin yan. Hanap lang akong pagkain dito mga parts. And mga parts, napadaan ako dito sa Oriental Coffee. And nakita ko yung egg tart. Yung gusto ko ng egg tart. And nakalagay dito, the Malaysia Book of Records thickest egg tart and the most number of egg tarts so by the national record. Oriental Coffee Malaysia. So bumili tayo ng original. So let's see. Tikman natin mga parts. Dalawa yung flavor. It's 5 Malaysian ringgit each. So let's take out my actually haba ng pila dito mga parts. So parang sikat. So mga parts, napatpad na ako dito sa Signatures and dito na ako kakain. Sakto mga parts kasi I'm craving for a hot noodles and nakita ko tong chili pan mee. So this is prawn and chicken. So meal na siya, it's around 20 Malaysian ringgit. Plus meron na siyang drinks. And mga parts, kanina bumili ako ng Oriental Coffee na egg tart. So tikman natin siya mga parts. Let's go! So mga parts, ang mura ng food dito sa Malaysia. Itong noodles na may chicken tsaka shrimp, it's only 250 pesos kasi 20 Malaysian ringgit. Tapos may soda na siya. Tikman natin. Oh my god, ang anghang. Ang anghang niya mga. Kasi nga siguro dahil chili, ano ba ito akala? JJ Chili Pan Mee. Actually, excited akong tikman ko. Egg tart. And mainit pa siya ha. Sobrang flaky niya mga parts. Ang flaky niya, tapos ang sarap nung egg filling sa loob. Ito nga. Ang sarap. I like it. Pero dito sa mga parts, it's maanghang. So kung ayaw niya maanghang, cannot be. So syempre mga parts, after natin kumain ng dinner, mag-dessert naman tayo. So nakita ko tong Inside Scoop. Nagtitinda. They're selling, I think this is sorbet and ice cream. So let's taste this one. Inside Scoop. Dessert muna tayo mga parts. Let's go! So yan mga parts, yung ilaw na yung Petronas Tower. Twin Tower. And syempre madami pa ng mga tao. Picture dito sa fountain.
Kaya selfie tayo.
So mga parts, kailangan natin matikman tong Batcha Coffee.
Pwede bang mix ng Sicilian and this one? Ano yung
Kat daw to.
kamuchi? Kamuchi. Ano yun? Ano mas masarap yung Aztec Night or yung kamuchi?
Medyo mahal siya mga parts, pero tikman natin.
Plastic night ma'am, strong siya.
Sige, Sicilian pistachio and kamuchi.
Post na lang mga parts ang presyo. So ito mga parts yung Batcha Coffee. Well, hindi naman siya originally from Malaysia pero sumikat siya dito sa Malaysia at Singapore. So yan, dami nilang mga coffee kung saan-saan na nag-originate. Yemen, Nepal, Ecuador. And yung iba, bumibili ng mga pasalubong from here. And also dito nagde-dessert and nag-tea. So, kaya yan, nag-try na. Ito. workout dito sa gym. Even in Malaysia. So, quick gym muna tayo mga parts before breakfast. And natuloy ko naman na kayo sa gym dito. Okay yung gym nila, maliit nga lang. Pero, look at the view mga parts. Wow. So nice. Wala dyan yung Petronas, nandun sa kabilang side. Tsaka yung KL Tower. Pero look, your view in the morning here. So yun mga parts, mag-quick gym muna tayo. And then let's have breakfast. Tutur ko kayo sa breakfast buffet. Let's go! So mga parts, dito rin sa 3rd floor yung breakfast. Dito sa Link at Sheraton Cafe. So, tama nyo mga parts para meron kayong idea ano ang breakfast dito sa Sheraton PJ or Petaling Jaya. Ito pala yun. Sa Feast pala. Hi, good morning. So, syempre mga parts, umpisahan natin dito sa mga pancake nila. Ang dami nilang pancake. Ay, meron silang waffle pancake and croissant. Pero mga parts, most of the food here are Malay. So, ito yung coffee station. Yan. And these are the breads. Actually, ang daming selection mga parts. Yung mga Malaysian desserts din sila dito. And nandito yung ang maganda dito mga parts. May ice cream. May ice cream. And fruits. Ayan. Ito pang ice cream. And yogurts. Uy, may lang ka. And also, they have hot chocolate over here. Yan. Yung mga parts nasa Lemak. So, alam niyo naman yung nasa Lemak kasi very famous Malaysian. So, pwede kayong gumawa ng sarili niyo. Ayan. And yan, chicken. Tapos gagawa yun. Kaya mag-mix-mix naman kung ano-ano dyan. And also nasi goreng. Yan, rice wala. Fried noodles. Ayan, madaming mga Malaysian food. Meron ding vegetarian. Para sa mga vegetarian. Congee, Laksa Station, yun yung noodles nila. So, pwede kayong magpagawa ng kung ano yung gusto nyong noodle selection. Also, they have baked beans. Yan. Ay, ito. Gusto ko ito ha. And also, they have their egg station over here. Wait. This is cool. And this one is the curry local favorite. Pero yung mga curry dito. Masala, vegetarian. And here in the middle, I also have misusu. And what else? Ayan, medyo, ito yung mga familiar na dito yung mga siomay. Pero yung iba, hindi ko talaga alam mga parts. Ayan, dumpling. And over here is the salad corn. Yan. So yun mga parts, basically yun yung ating breakfast tour dito sa Feast sa Sheraton Petaling Jaya. So may mga parts ay kumain na tayo. Let's go.
So there you have it mga parts. Tapos naman ang isang quick vlog natin featuring itong Petaling Jaya. Itong Sheraton Hotel dito sa Petaling Jaya. And yung quick vlog natin doon sa Kuala Lumpur City Center, Petronas Tower, and yung KLCC Mall. Or yung mall under the Petronas Tower. And I hope mga parts na kayo ng idea if ever you're traveling soon to Kuala Lumpur, you're finding a hotel and what to do. Although it was a very quick vlog because this is actually a mix of work and leisure. So I hope mga parts susunod kong visit dito sa Kuala Lumpur or sa Malaysia, it will be more detailed vlog. Kasi yung first time ko, as mentioned, it was a Asian cruise, including yung Singapore and Malaysia. Itong second ko naman, it's a very quick travel work. So, I hope mga parts yung susunod, it will be a more detailed vlog. But thank you so much sa support pa rin sa mga parts natin dyan na patuloy na nanonood ng aking mga YouTube videos. And parts, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Road to 3,000 subscriber tayo mga parts for more travel videos. And please like, share, and if you have question, just comment down below. Hit the notification bell so that you'll always be updated whenever I upload new videos. And yeah, please follow me in my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok also at Bihayong So yun mga parts, and yung Malaysia naman mga parts, I'm not sure kung ano pa yung mga pwedeng I'm sure marami pang pwedeng explore. So comment down below if ano pa yung mga pwede nating explore dito sa Malaysia para sa mga susunod nating travel vlogs dito sa Malaysia if ever meron pa tayong opportunities. And comment down below if you have any suggestions. So yun mga parts, hanggang sa mga susunod kong YouTube videos mga parts, stay safe and healthy. Bye! Good night!